Today is Nowruz. It's a huge celebration around the world that coincides with the beginning of spring. It's also known as Persian New Year, and today we're going to find out how to make the staple dish of the holiday, whitefish, from the co-owner of Banu restaurant, Samira Moyedin. Thank you for being here.
Hi, happy spring.
Yes, happy spring. Happy Nowruz. Okay, so whitefish, tell me, why is it significant for this holiday?
So whitefish is significant because this is the quintessential Iranian dish that you would have. Whitefish is prevalent to the area in Iran, and also here in Manitoulin Island, there's a lot of wild whitefish too.
Interesting.
Yep.
What's the flavor of it? I guess we're going to find out.
It's actually, I mean, we're going to mix it with saffron and cinnamon, but it doesn't, it's actually a fish that doesn't impart a lot of flavor itself, so it takes really well to anything that you season it with.
All right, you mentioned the saffron. I'm going to help you with that.
So I'm going to show you how to make what I call liquid gold, okay? Usually you'll see people take saffron and they will just take this and throw it in. Not to do that, okay? So if I could have you grind this up a little bit in the mortar and pestle.
Sure.
This goes a long way. Okay, and then we're going to dump it in some hot water.
And why do we not want to directly just use it without grinding it up first?
It's such a waste. It's such a waste. You know, this stuff costs the same amount in weight as gold does.
It's really expensive.
Yes, it's very expensive.
And it grinds up so easily, too.
Yeah.
All right.
So if I could get you to dump that in there.
Here.
Perfect. We're just going to mix it up, and you're going to see that color change.
Yes, I love that color. So that's just hot water that you have there?
That's just hot water.
All right. And we're making a paste, right, that we're going to coat the fish in?
Yeah.
Paste is not the right word.
No, it's not the right word.
A coating for the fish.
It's all good.
So saffron, hot water.
Make a little coating. So we're going to put a little bit of cinnamon in here.
All right. Cinnamon on fish. I don't think I've ever had that combination before.
I put cinnamon in a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
And you'd be surprised how well it takes. A little bit of pepper.
Pepper, okay.
A little bit of salt.
Salt, yes, salt and fish.
We've got an egg already in there. And we're going to put our liquid gold in.
It does look like the color of gold. I like it. So you put the whole thing or just a little bit in?
No, we're going to put a little bit in. If we were making more fish, I would use all of this. But
usually when we think about putting an egg on fish, it's sort of because we're going to put breading or something on. But this doesn't have any of that.
No, we just add the egg. The egg also uses, I mean, it's really just a binding.
Right.
But we don't need the flour.
I like this. Is great for me because I don't eat gluten. So this is perfect for me.
Perfect. So I'm
Mix
just
that up.
going
Ooh,
to
it
do
smells
this.
amazing. You could really smell the cinnamon in there too.
The cinnamon also takes, if there was a fishy flavor to this fish, it would take that away.
Oh, that's nice. That's good to know.
I'm just going to add a little bit more of this liquid gold.
All right. So what's the consistency you want here? Kind of a little bit more runny than the egg would be on its own?
Exactly, yeah. I'm just going to do a little bit of a wash. Okay, perfect.
Right, I can feel this pan getting, you want the pan to be really hot, I'm guessing, before you put it in.
Quite hot.
Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, and it gives it a beautiful color.
There. That's the color you want. The color of the plate, actually.
Oh, yes, yeah. It's almost the color of that saffron water.
So you're going to put it not skin side down first, because if you put it skin side down, it's just going to shrink.
Okay. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. And we've got about a minute left here. I do want to make sure I get to try this, so I'm going to just taste it. We, through the magic of TV, have a completed dish. And it's served on this beautiful rice, too.
Oh, yeah. That rice is also something that you have to have during this time.
Okay.
It's full of the dill and chives and cilantro. And again, that's more about the rebirth of nature and spring coming.
And what about what gives it the yellow color? Some of the grains have a yellow on them.
That's more saffron, more liquid gold. So you're going to add that after. Yeah, it's really nice. And we served this last night at the restaurant at Banu. So it's, you know, this is the dish that you would have. This is the staple dish.
This is delicious. And the cinnamon, I thought it would be overpowering given the smell, but it's not.
No, it's not.
It's very subtle.
And you would squeeze a little bit of Seville orange on top. It's really nice.
That rice is delicious, too. Okay, we have to finish with dessert.
Right with these sweets. So these are all gluten-free. We've got chickpea flour, rice flour, and this is an almond, I guess like you could, it's sort of like a brittle, but similar to Florentine.
Oh, they all look delicious.
These are also on the table, your ceremonial table during New Year's.
That's so nice that they're gluten-free. Really nice. Do you have a favorite?
This is my favorite.
Okay, and this is one with the chickpea flour.
Yeah, and it's called Nun Nohochi.
Nun Nohochi. Did I pass?
Yes.
Okay,
very
great.
Good. I'll have one with you.
Yes, please.
Toast to spring.
Yes, cheers to spring and to Nowruz. Thank you so much for being here.
You're welcome. Thank you.